Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shining edge effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and then click on the new project and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And after this, if you wanna add shining edge effect on CapCut, so you just click on the effect at the bottom. Click on the video effect, and then in here you just swipe until you can see party, and then click on the party. Okay, and in here you can see a shining edge effect, so you just click on it and then click check icon, this one. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the filter, for the color, for the intensity, and okay. Now you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add shining edge effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.